The first one safe is Latitude with 0 votes, and then it's Acid Waste Barrel with 0 votes, and then it's Sheet of Paper with 0 votes. Moldy Bread is safe with 1 vote, and Wall is eliminated with 8 votes.
So, go to space. Use me to go to space. Are you? Yeah! Battery out.
Oh.